Got to drill some holes in these tubings right here. That's going to be the axles. That's what it looks like down there once you get them holes drilled up in yonder. Half-inch in size. Interesting about this square tubing. I'll show you something. Hey, Greg Porter, the man about this inside burr on this tubing. Greg knows tubing. He knows square too. Hey, Greg, all's well here in Middle Tennessee. Okay, right there's a good example of what the problem is that his tool corrects. In this case, it's unnecessary to perform that operation, because if you see that piece of square tubing right there in the over yonder, it has the weld in the corner, so the four sides are the same. That one has it in the same way, probably same piece of pipe. But occasionally you'll find one like that where it's in the dead center. Man, sometimes it's hard to deal when you're trying to get a round rod in there. Axle through yonder, it's a problem sometimes. Slide to fit also. But it's no problem here. If you happen to get a set, when I'm working with this stuff right here, and I'm working with that piece right there, it might be a little hard to, insert that axle stub in there to on the get-go. But just drive her on in there, and you'll be good to go. Once you get it in there, weld up them two holes right there, welding the axle stub to the axle itself, and then grind it flush. It's a good way to set the distance of how long the axle needs to be. Plus, it's not a challenge. It's just another operation to plug weld. That's the only benefit of doing this. Let's get on with it. Let's drill about 40 more of them. Airplane outside, overhead. I think it's like an evening flyby. Being repetitive work as it is, the hole will be about right here as going by the this is the last run, so I'm just using it as a pattern for this amount. So we'll set it up to the point where the drill bit goes in that hole freely. Lock her down, drill about 40 more holes. We'll drill about 20 more in 'em. Oh yeah, and knock that burr off that around that drilled hole right there. You know, makes it look good there, kind of professional like. I got one more to go, and then we'll clean them up. Now let's clean them up now.